Hi friends, it's Mrs. U. Today we are going to practice beginning letter sound practice. And since today is our very first day learning about space, we are going to begin with a song. Do you know anything about outer space? ¿Sabes algo como espacio? Do you know anything about space? What is out in space? That's where the sun lives. Es donde vive el sol. That's where the moon lives. That's where the stars live. And we also have 8 planets that live there. This is a song about planets. It's called Planet Roll Call. It's just like the way your teacher says, "Is everybody here for school today?" I used to do that with my first graders. I would read their names and I would say, "Are you here today? ¿Estás aquí hoy? ¿Dónde está?" Right? You would say everybody's name to make sure that they are here. So this song is called Planet Roll Call. And we're going to say the names of each of the planets. So it says, 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call out each one. Mercury, here, number 1, closest planet to the sun. So Mercury is the first planet, and that is the planet that is closest to the sun. Es la primera planeta y es lo más cerca del Sol. The second planet is Venus. Venus, here, number 2, shining bright, just like new. Do you hear the rhyme? 2 and, very good, new, 2 and new. Right, so we have planet number 1, Mercury, and planet number 2, Venus. Now we're going to come to our planet, Earth. Here, number 3, Earth is home to you and me. That's where we live. We live on planet Earth. Now we are going to number 4, Mars. Mars, here, number 4, red and ready to explore. 4 and explore. Very good. That's the rhyme there. Mars is often called the red planet. Next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter, here, number 5, largest planet. That's no jive. Did you hear the rhyme there? 5 and, good, 5 and jive. Very good. Jive means like a joke. So number 5, right? Number 5 is Jupiter. That's the largest planet. It's not a joke. Right? No es un chiste. Saturn, here, number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Saturn is the planet that has the big rings around it. Uranus, Uranus starts with a U, that's the next one. Uranus, here, number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. So that one is tilted on the side. It's not straight across. It sort of sits on the side a little bit, like it might fall off of its chair. Neptune, here, number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. So Neptune has one dark spot on it, and it's a really big dark spot. All right, let's try to sing this song all together. And you can sing along if you remember the words, or you can just listen with me. It's a fun song. 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call out each one. Mercury, here, number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus, here, number 2, shining bright, just like new. Earth, here. Number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here. Number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter, here. Number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. Saturn, here. Number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here. Number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Neptune, here. Number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. That's awesome. You can rewind and listen to the song again. It's kind of a catchy song. I feel like I might be singing it all day today. And you can always click on the other parts of the slideshow to learn more as well about the planets. So there's a story about planets, and there are some other activities too. Ooh, do you know what that's called? Right, that's a rocket. But we want to look at this planet right here, the one that is blue and green. Now, this planet's name is Uranus. It's a little tricky to figure out what sound is in the beginning of Uranus, but see if you can figure it out. It almost sounds like yeah, 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 but it's Uranus. So does it sound like rocket, unicorn, or spoon? Very good. That planet is Uranus, right? Starts like letter U. Ooh, that's another cool picture of a unicorn. Do you know, I'm sorry, not a unicorn, Mrs. U. That's a rocket. That's silly. All right, this is an astronaut. Does astronaut sound like S, A, or P? Very good. Astronaut sounds like A. Can you think of something else that begins with letter A? How about, ooh, maybe apple? Very good. You're so smart. Let's see what's next. Ooh, look at all those space things. What do you see? All right, how about this picture? This picture is the moon, right? Does moon start like M, N, nose, or P, picture? What do you think? You got it. Very good. Moon. Ooh. Very good. Finger stretch the word moon. Ooh, do you know what this planet is? This one has another tricky beginning sound because it's the beginning sound of this planet is being kind of bossed like the letter R, right? The letter R is being it's being a boss, and it's making the beginning sound say okay? But the beginning sound of this planet, this is Earth, right? This is Earth. This is where we live, es donde vivimos. And the beginning of this, the beginning sound of Earth is actually more like an okay? Does it E? Is it T? Or is it F? You got it. E-A-R-T-H. E is being bossed and A is being bossed by that R that says R. All right, now this is Mars, right? This is the red planet, Mars. Can you tell which one of those letters says Mars? Very good. B says ball. M says Mars. L says lollipop. Very good. I wonder if you can think of anything else that starts with Mars. Do you have any friends whose name begins with M? Like, do you have a friend named Marisol or Melissa? Very good. This planet is the planet that has the rings. The rings around the planet is Saturn. Can you tell me which letter says Saturn? This is a little bit tricky again because X kind of makes a sound, but this is the slippery snake letter, the S. Very good. All right, now we are all finished practicing our song and our letters, and I have something that you could do at home. You could have some fun, right? You can use your hand, okay, usando tu mano, and some paint or markers. You're going to create an alien. I just want you to be creative. Whoa, look at those funny aliens. This one looks like they use their foot. There's some cute ones too. This is something you could do with your little brother or sister, or with your bigger brother or sister too. I hope you have some fun, and please send me a picture. Thank you for learning with me today.